Right now, basically, you're buddies with Crawdads, correct?
Yes.
All
You
guys kind of are, you know? This is awesome. So I wanted to introduce you to Roosters if you haven't been. A lot of people kind of come on straight down to the water. Roosters is just right at the top. Good to see you guys. Teresa and Martin, good to see you. And who do we have over here?
Eric for that.
You're hanging out?
Manager for the other Roosters.
Oh, he's a manager for the other Roosters. Okay,
Yeah.
he doesn't have a mic, and suddenly this guy just appeared out of nowhere. I'm like, oh, we gotta talk to
I'm
him.
here too.
Just talk loud if I need to talk to you. All right, so tell us a little bit about Roosters. How long has it been around?
So Roosters has been around since 2020.
Okay.
Our first location opened in River Park in June 2020, and then this location here on the river opened in 2023, January 2023.
I think I know because I was out there for that,
Yes,
right? A long
yes,
time
you
ago.
are.
It's amazing, though. The food's great. All right, so what are you really known for? I know you kind of started out with breakfast, and that is kind of like your staple, right?
It is, yeah. So we are known for brunch. Our chilaquiles over here are probably our most popular dish on
Look
our
at
menu.
that. Wow.
And then here at this location, we had the opportunity to expand our menu.
Okay.
So we do have a dinner options as well. We have a couple of pastas on the menu, our arrachera and our chile relleno. So a little bit of Mexican dinner, a little combination of everything. So I think there's options for everybody.
Yeah.
And we also have happy hour Wednesday through Saturday, 3 to 6.
Yes.
So come and have a margarita on our
Yeah,
patio.
and relax, and you got music and everything,
Yes.
too, right? It's a party. I mean, we're on the river. You got to have a party. All right, let's get into the dishes a little bit more, because you just went through and said, yeah, some pasta, some of this, but no, this looks so good. There's got to be a lot of love that goes into this. Why don't you tell us what's in that one?
So this is like a Alfredo pasta with a little bit of broccoli and shrimp.
Okay.
So we make the own salsa for the Alfredo sauce.
Right.
So I think there's a really good taste here, right?
Well, all right. Let me do a little.
There you go. One
Let
shrimp with us.
me find out. He's not lying. That's a tasty shrimp.
Tasty shrimp.
All right,
yeah.
I'll try that margarita in a minute. And then what about this one here too? It looks really delicious.
So this is our arrachera, and it comes with rice, beans, and tortillas. It's really quality meat, so come out and enjoy that as well. It's really tasty.
I love it. Presentation's great. And then this one over here too looks like another fan favorite. Huh?
Yes, this is our chile relleno. This one has a little bit of a twist. It has also some American cheese in there, so it's not just the traditional queso fresco that you normally see in there or white cheese. This one has the additional American cheese, kind of similar to what they do back where he's from in Mexico.
All right.
Yeah.
Love that. And then we can't leave this. I mean, this is like the
don't
staple of it
forget.
all right here, right? We got it. We got the whole crew back there staring at it. They've been out here all morning. They want to drink this thing. Tell us about this.
That is our giant mimosa. So for brunch, that'll probably be the most popular drink on our menu. 2 bottles of champagne, a little bit of fruit juice,
Okay.
some homemade raspberry puree. So very, very popular as well.
That's awesome. You got all these at your place down there too, huh?
Yeah, we do. Yeah.
There you go.
Buy over there too. We have that too.
Just
A little closer. A little closer.
There you go. Just lean on it.
We have this.
There you go.
Don't miss out. Whether you go to the river or you go over there, you know.
I love it. Oh my God!
There
I'm
you
getting
go.
so fired up. All right, so do we need? We don't. I mean, there's like reservations for specific things that you have going on, or no? Just coming. You're in a pretty big
We
place.
have open walk-ins, but you can do a reservation as well. We do private events. You know, we're open for you guys for whatever you need.
Okay, and now you did mention at the beginning, dinners, and then we really want to hit on that too, because you
Yes.
did all the breakfast right now. You were able to launch the dinner here. How's that going? The dinner.
It's going good so far. Like I said, it's something new that we're doing at this location. And these items are all on our dinner menu. So, you know, it's definitely been a little bit of a
Little bit of a challenge.
challenge, yes. Getting to know what people like, what people want. And I think the happy hour is also very good. We have a couple quesadillas, we have nachos, we have tacos. So we have some really good deals.
So you've got it all. Let's say this: if you go in there for dinner, but you can't decide, can we get the breakfast? Still.
There are a couple options that we do leave open. For example, chilaquiles. Really simple to
We
make at
often
dinner time.
serve breakfast and a dinner time, you know.
Yeah.
But some people, they want to get some breakfast and the dinner.
Exactly.
Chilaquiles, like eggs, scrambled eggs with chorizo on the dinner time. That's perfect. We can do this.
You can still do it. Yeah.
We can serve whatever they
You can
want.
accommodate everybody.
Correct.
Exactly.
Oh my gosh! All right, you guys Giant, you guys A's fans, you guys River Cats fans.
I'm a River Cats fan.
River
yes.
Cats fan,
Yes.
because we just had, Dinger and Stomper were out here having fun.
I saw them out here.
I
Yeah.
like River Cats too.
River Cats,
So,
exactly.
Sacramento.
Right, both of those
I keep
two.
changing my name.
Right, and you can't go wrong with this view. It's absolutely
It's
amazing.
beautiful,
You can
yes.
see it from their place.
Yeah.
Trust me on that. Guys, thanks so much for coming in.
Thank you,
Roosters on the river. All right, there you go. That's awesome.
go.
We'll throw up a little bit of information for you while we eat this food, have some drinks. It's going to be fun. There's the information for you on the screen. Go check them out at roosterssacramento.com. They're also on TikTok, so they are on the socials. We'll be right back. Don't go away. This is too much fun.